Now let's get started. Please get ready. Flaw detector, Q9 probe line, 2.5 trillion 13 times 13 K2 angle probe, CSK1 test block, coupling agent, steel ruler, power on. Enter the main interface. Press the menu key to enter the menu. Select channel icon and confirm. First press to select channel. Select an unset channel. We choose channel 1 this time. Use Q9 probe line. Connect the transmitting or receiving interface of the instrument. Connect the probe to the other end. Press the probe setting shortcut key. Set the probe type to single crystal oblique probe. According to the probe nameplate, enter the basic parameters of the probe. K value equal to 2. Probe frequency equal to 2.5 MHz. Chip size 13 times 13. Nominal and actual measured values of the probe. There is an error. Information such as probe 0 point and probe front edge. It is not marked on the nameplate. Therefore, before using a new probe to detect flaw, probe needs to be calibrated. Calibrate by probe. Select probe 0 point and sound velocity calibration operations. Enter the calibration value according to the on-screen prompts. Longitudinal wave approximate sound speed, 3230. This calibration uses CSK1 test block, R100 and R50 arc calibration. So thickness 1 is set to 100, thickness 2 is set to 50. If other types of test blocks are used, requires attention. Thickness 1 is 1.5 times to 4 times that of thickness 2. The detection range will be based on the setting of thickness 1. Automatic change. You can also modify it manually. The default value of this instrument corresponds to CSK1 test block, so no need to modify. Confirm directly to proceed to the next step. Place the probe near the center of the R100 circle. Make it cover the echo of R100. Gate B traps the echo of R50. Move the probe slowly. Find the highest echo of R100. At the same time, the echo height of 50 is ensured, not less than 20%. After stopping moving, press the OK button of the wheel. The instrument will automatically calibrate the probe. The screen prompts the calibrated sound speed and probe 0 point. Keep the probe still. Use steel ruler. The front end of the measuring probe. Distance to R100 arc top. Length 87 mm. The leading edge of the probe is 100 minus 87 is 13 mm. Enter using the wheel and keys. Leading edge is 13 mm rear. Press the OK button of the wheel. Complete the 0 point of the angle probe. Calibration of sound velocity and probe leading edge. After calibrating the probe, select calibration angle. Follow the on-screen prompts. Enter the hole depth and hole diameter. The default value of the instrument corresponds to CSK1 test block. Hole depth 30 mm. Measuring hole diameter 50 mm. Press the OK button on the wheel to proceed to the next step. Because the nominal K value of the probe is 2, so we will probe. Place it on CSK1 test block, near the K2 mark line. Align one side of the circular hole with a diameter of 50 mm. Move the probe slowly. Find the highest echo for a 50 mm diameter circular hole. You can press the envelope peak key. Turn on peak memory assist. Help us find the highest echo. Press the OK button on the wheel to complete the calibration. The K value of the measured probe is 2.01. After probe calibration is completed, press channel access shortcut key. The instrument prompts whether to save the current channel. After pressing the OK key, the instrument will calibrate the probe parameters. Save to current channel. For future use, directly call up the corresponding channel to start flaw detection.